क्षुद्रघण्टानिनादाभिरामं चलत्ताण्डवोत्तण्डवत् पद्मतालं लसत्तुन्दिलाङ्गोपरिव्यालहारं गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे ध्वनिध्वं सवीणालयोलासिवक्त्रं स्फुरच्चुण्डदण्डोलसद्बीजपूरं गलद्दर्पसौगन्ध्यलोलालिमालं गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे चद्भुजावल्लरी दृश्यमूलो चलद्भ्रूलता विभ्रमभ्राजदक्षं मरुत्सुन्दरी चामरै सेव्यमानं गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे निष्ठुरालोलपिङ्गाक्षितारं कृपाकोमलोदारलीलावतारं कलाबिन्दुगं गीयते योगिवर्ये गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे यमेकाक्षरं निर्मलं निर्विकल्पं गुणातीतमानन्दमाकारशून्यं परं पारमोङ्कारमाम्नाय गर्भं वदन्ति प्रगल्भं पुराणं तमीडे वदन्ति प्रगल्भं पुराणं तमीडे.
We have Dr. Wilson Paul of Keelath Ayurgramam and Research Center. For 4 generations, Paruthveli family has been in this Ayurvedic area. How do you look forward to the new changes that has happened in this Ayurvedic area?
Though we have traditional ways of diagnosis, Keelath Ayurgramam uses modern diagnostic tools while sticking to the traditional Ayurvedic treatments. This helps us to reconfirm our diagnosis with documentable evidences. From olden days, we have Kashayams, Lehyams, Arishtams Added to this, we have our own modern dosage forms like capsules, tablets, etc.
I have heard Ayurveda usually is based on plant-based medicines. How far is it true?
It's true that Ayurveda stresses on plant-based medicines, but we also uses animal-based materials like meat, bones, ghee to make various medications.
I have heard that you offer permanent cure for certain diseases like psoriasis, arthritis, spondylitis, etc. Can you explain to me in detail about that?
Of course. It is quite true that we provide permanent cure for psoriasis, backache, spondylitis. According to Ayurvedic principles, patients who are affected with a particular disease produce a causative factor within his body. We call it dosha prakopa. These factors has to be expelled out of body by which a particular disease can be cured. We are not suppressing the causative factor but expelling it from the body. Apart from these, we give treatment for male and female infertility, sports injuries, including recurrent joint dislocations.
Comparing all other Ayurvedic resorts in Kerala, what makes your Keelat Ayurgram and Research Center special, or what makes it stand out?
Keelat Ayurgramam is essentially a professionally managed Ayurvedic treatment center rather than a resort. It is owned and managed by doctors, and we give utmost care and do everything possible to ensure the cure of disease.
प्रसीदेश सूनो नमो विश्वबीज प्रसीदेश सूनो संस्तवं प्रातरुत्थाय भक्त्या पठेद्यस्तु मर्त्यो लभेत् सर्वकामान् गणेशप्रसादेन सिद्ध्यन्ति वाचो.
Hi, I am Dr. Neeta. You are most welcome to our Keelat Ayurgramam and Research Center to experience the time-tested goodness of Ayurveda.